Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this dark purple and black cut crease makeup look. To start this look, I'm using tape on the edges of the eyes. Then I'm using the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette for the shade Vanity, which is a very, very dark purple. It almost looks black. And I'm using this to create the cut crease shape. Then I'm adding more of that color on top and blending it out. Next, I'm using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette for the dark purple shade. I do kind of have to go back and forth adding some purple, then adding some of the darker purple back and forth until I like how the blend looks. Then using the same palette, I'm using a little bit of the Princess shade, which is kind of a pink purpley highlight shade. And I'm putting this near the brows and the edges of the eyes. Next, I'm using makeup remover and Q-tips to cut the crease and remove any excess eyeshadow. Then I'm topping that area with the Loreal Infallible Concealer. Next, I'm using the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette for the light, sparkly, reflective shade, and I'm putting this on the eyelids in the inner corners. Next, using that same purple shade as before, I'm going to be putting that in the middle of the eye, and I'm going to be blending that purple shade into the lighter pink shade. Then I'll be using the Violets palette from Juvia's Place for the dark purple shade, and I'm putting this in the outer corners. Next, I'm using some black rhinestones for the inner corners, just above the crease. For the lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'll be topping these with false lashes. For the lips, I'm going to be using a NYX Liquid Suede liquid lipstick in a dark purple shade. And that completes this dark purple and black rhinestone cut crease makeup look. Purple is my favorite color, so I really like how this turned out and I like the dark feel of it. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.